Good morning, everybody. Spirit says we are still dealing with insincere people, but they want us to know that sometimes life does sting. And although we don't know what the future holds, people and situations in our life have to fall away for the new to come about. A distant friend is thinking of you and wants you to be open to infinite possibilities. Something you've always wished for since a child is going to come about, and you are moving from chaos to peace. You're going to have a victory in some endeavor. Believe in yourself. There's victory news coming your way, which will end sleepless nights and anxiety and worries that you carried on your heart. There's hard work ahead, but things in the world have to come full circle. It's just that time now. It's time for a beginner's mind, and they say you connecting with your star family, and that there's brightness and hope coming into your life. There's obstacles that we had to overcome, but a chain of events is going to affect your life. You are in your power, you are in your own truth, and you trust in the divine timing. And sincere wish will be granted, and they want you to know there's always enough. Stay aligned with your higher power. That's your truth, all of you. There's a hidden secret that can harm you, or secrets. Be careful, don't take risks. You are being divinely guided away from deception and delays, and where your emotions were up and down. Don't deceive yourself. There is brightness coming in your finances, in your relationships, and with your connection with spirit, and even with your animals and things around you. Pay attention to your work. There is an exciting event coming up. Be rational and open hearted. And where you're undecided, step out of the situation and see the situation, what's going on within. There is news on its way, and they want you to let spirit be your guide. Your loved ones say communicate with your angels and uplift your thoughts. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.